Hello friends and welcome to the channel Auto World Miniatures. So today we will be unboxing the 1/32 scale model of Mahindra Bolero Power Plus that I have ordered from mahindram2all.com. That is the Mahindra's official site. So let's start the video.
Get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?